Greetings, and once again, thank you for inviting me onto your screen. Today, we're going to finish up this whole targeting malarkey, and hopefully get some actual skills being cast. So for now, what I've done between now and this stream. Can target, and I thought I'd fix that bug. Yeah, so if it's a valid thing, the reticule will glow or go up and down and whatever. And we have better uses fireball on watermelon. Yeah, that's just a placeholder. So here's our targeting line class now. This reticule pulse. If any enemy cursor is routed and its current animation is not reticule pulse, then play it. But for some reason, the animation just doesn't want to play. Is odd. Yeah, this should play reset, but only if there's no valid enemy under the cursor. If there is an enemy under the cursor, then this should be playing unless... Ah, here we go. Yes, this is... The loop isn't broken out, but if this is invalid, then this shouldn't play a reset. Sure. I'll comment this out. So there's no allies, but there's also no enemies. And yeah, so any returns false if the sequence is not empty and oh yeah, okay, so that's fine. Any is target valid on there, then it should then play reset. This plays a reset on there. Enemies under the cursor doesn't clear, and then yes, so it doesn't reset, and then it plays the reticule pulse. That should fix it. But also, entity equals enemies under cursor any. Yes. No. Oh. It's where? Valid. Valid enemy. And we can put in if valid enemies dot count is greater than. Yeah, if it's greater than 0, then do that. Put some brackets here. Then yeah, play the animation, then reach bar enemy in valid enemies. No, we should just get the first one for the next timing. Valid enemies dot first. Equals no dot. So this is a yet an enemy display dot targeted equals true. So that's not no. Why did we stop first? That's targeted. That'll be true. And then has to set everyone else's to false. But then if it goes down to false, it doesn't go. No, we'll work out the targeting after here. This is just enemies, and if casting skill chosen. Oh. Target areas? Modified targets. Dot any X. There wouldn't be any, it would be contains. Yes, it would be contains. Target area dot squad. No, party. And then row and then what have you. Do that. And then if it's no, else if it's the squad, then do else row, else squad, and then do the single one. Yeah. Reach bar enemy in party displays. Enemy dot displayed entity dot squad targeted. No, it's not. It's not displayed entity. It's squad targeted is true. Then else, if it's the row, then we're going to need to get the whole row, aren't we? Ah. First fired enemy equals fired enemies dot first. And we'll put this inside because we don't want to get any errors if the thing's null. Does enemy display have an is in front row? It'll be the target dot is in front row. It's gonna be very inefficient. Might be slow. Var is in front equals first valid enemy dot target. No, displayed entity dot is in front row. Or better yet, in no, there isn't. Is in front row. We'll declare this as a bool so that it actually gets created as a bool when we generate the property. Then for each enemy and enemy part displays. Why is there another bracket there? Nobody knows. Least of all me. If is in front row is equal to enemy dot is in front row, then enemy dot squad targeted equals true. Right. Oh no, I can just simplify that. Actually, I will have the curly brackets. Reach for our enemy and blah 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 blah. Now for the squad. I know I'm chaining together however many else if statements. But like I said, I just want to get things done. If our chosen skill dot modify targets dot contains target area dot squad. So we are on the enemies. We'll do the allies up top soon. Then for each enemy, bar squad number, enemy first fired enemy dot enemy squad number. Yeah, hopefully that'll be updated. Should do. And then enemy dot enemy squad number is equal to squad number. And finally, no, this wouldn't be an else. Because this is for squad targeting, and then if everything's targeted, then we set the regular targeting. It will cause the flashing to reset on whenever we go to another one, but I don't know. It might be a thing, actually. We'll have to... Oh, I know. Okay, we'll put this at the bottom, just so it's out the way. And then at the top we go, if... No. First valid enemy is going to be the... target? Yes. But if there's a single one, then we want to show it else. Yeah, okay. If chosen skill dot modify targets dot contains yeah, I think there's probably a better way of doing this. I know I said that when we get things done, but it should be single. So we're not going to use self because this is for ally targeting only. It wouldn't make sense to put it on enemies because there's no player skill that can use the target self but also only affects enemies. That doesn't make sense. Okay, var mod, no, var target area equals chosen skill dot modifier targets dot union? No. Dot distinct. That was it. That's what I want. And then just ensure that if something like adds 1 million targets onto one person, we don't have to go iterate through the whole thing all over again. It's not going to be that much of a thing because I'm not going to put more than, say, I don't know, 4 or 5 effects on a single skill. It's more of a good habit, I suppose. I don't know. Okay. What's I doing? Oh yes, first valid enemy dot targeted is equal to true. Enemy squad targeted equals true or no, true XOR enemy dot targeted. Okay. The same thing if it's or no, XOR enemy no, then the XOR won't work. If it's targeted. Oh yeah. Okay, and not. But then the squad targeted is going to be set to false anyways, so it wouldn't happen. It wouldn't make sense. What I could do though is go to squad targeted and then say, okay, fine. If targeted, return. Sure. So make sure that targeted will always override squad targeted. Should make sense, yes. And then everything on here makes perfect sense. So main target sub it's that's a hyphen. Those in quote unquote blast radius. Target ETQ. I wanted to do a little bit of the animation so that these little line segments here would just scroll up, but the only way I think I can do that is if I made like this as a sort of an animation and made it sort of animate so it goes like that. Also might have to do some with the gradients. If it can target enemies, then have this one, else the whatchamacallit, the else have like one that goes from, I don't know, green to blue or something like that. But then if it's green to blue, it'll clash with this, which is orange to green. No, that'll green to yellow, I think. Yes. Okay, so we'll save this gradient and we'll call it it would help if I saved as this will be under resources, UI, saving it under save resource as, yes, okay, enemy target gradient. That is, yes, enemy target gradient. And then I can go to enemy target gradient And then we will duplicate this into ally target gradient. Open this up, go from green to yellow, was it? Like this. Sort of a greeny, bluey kind of that color. Over to yellow. It's just red and so yeah, we'll call it that. We'll save it. Which, yep. Okay. Just FF00. Okay. Private. No, do this properly. Don't hard code it. Export private color enemy target color. I'm gonna use the American spellings anyway. Ally target color. It would be a gradient. Yep. I target line gradient. Place ally enemy. Now when we've activated it, blah 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 blah, blah. So the chosen skill has been set beforehand. What we don't, I think it would be better if we put it target. No. Caster equals null. Targets equals. It would help if I put the bloody type. All targets oppo enemies equals false. True, actually. There's going to be a bit more DPSs than healers. In which case you only want to have targets enemies. Oh, whatever. Fine. So here's our targeting line. It has a target. Yeah, okay. Back to here. Come on. Here we go. Targeting line. Fill. Gradient. So this is the line 2D. This script inherits from line 2D. So we can just put fill. Oh. Line 2D. Can I access the fill directly? Or does it have to be via something else? We have texture, we have texture mode, we have... Oh, it's just gradients. Okay. Gradient is equal to targets enemies. Enemy target. Enemy target line gradient. Or ally target line gradient. Get node, which is the targeting reticule, which is it's underscore reticule. Okay. Underscore reticule dot self-modulate is equal to target enemies. I can type the question mark Come on. Enemy target. Color. Ally target color. Or I could be a bit, what's the word? Enemy target line gradient dot end? Points, colors. Returns a copy preferring modifier. We're going to use a set color or assigned to it. There's got to be a. So there should be a get color. Get color at index point. Get color. Enemy target color gradient dot. Amount of colors, color count, index ID, meta, offset, blah 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 blah. Interpolation mode, native instance offsets, resource name, resource path, TR, TRN, unreferenced. Oh, there's got to be something that gets the get point count. That's what I want. Dot get point count -1 or this. Come on. Because the target color is pretty much just the same as the end of the gradient. No. Replace the wrong thing. Ally. Ally. Then casting entity and chosen skill. Oh yes. Okay, fine. Entity caster. Skill. It's good this thing's only been referenced by one line. Reticule self-modulate is blah 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 blah. Casting entity equals entity. Yeah, not the bloody Classian. Oh, yes, that. Boom. Because it's called caster. Yep. Okay, chosen skill is equal to skill. And there should be an allied entity because, you know, we're only going to get allies here. Which means I can go back to battle scene test, and instead of this, I'm pause, entity, skill. Skill dot can target enemies. 2 need to go. Which means that I can go up here. No. Put the setters to private. Oh. Return blah 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 blah. Casting entity equals okay. And this is the only time it's set is here. That's fine. Let's see. Skill name, valid target factions. Yeah, okay. I've just realised that I don't have a healing skill. That's the allies with. Let's see. Go back to Zim. I should have some notes, don't I? Dead I am. Yes. Bloody Windows. There we go. Right, no, I don't have any. Deer was the first one. It's in Mega 10, and I think it's in Final Fantasy 14 as well, so I'm guessing it's public domain, whatever. Let me copy paste the heals the target for range capital range _0. Yes. Health. Cost 5, cooldown 8, combat. Ally 1. It's in combat or non-combat. Wait. This isn't in the script either. Any spell healing, but I'm just going to use that for now. I have the others, but oh, before I get put that in, just so that I'm yeah, so I don't forget it. Okay. I'm still experimenting with the optimal mic position. Right, so let's make the skill, shall we? So resources, skills, modifiers, spells, elemental. Create a new folder called healing. Skill. Yeah. Right. I'll have Sim open in the other monitor. Skill name is Dia. I've decided that I probably am going to take out the placeholder as well. Placeholder. Skill category is healing? Yes. Are modifiers mutex? No? No, they're not. Skill description is heals the target for range 0 health. Yep. And target allies on, target allies off. Cost 5, cooldown 8. Base charge time, we're not going to have that for the time being. New heal modifier. Frequency base 10, deviation 2 from a die roll. Gaussian actually. It will scale with the caster's wisdom for the time being. 2, and the target will scale with the target's constitution by another 0.2. Accuracy is 100. Prerequisite is nothing. Blah 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 blah. Additional tags will be healing spell, but it's a spell anyway. So yeah, what is it? Blah blah blah. There's no spell tag. I thought there was a spell tag. I could have sworn that there was a spell tag. Okay, entity modifier. Where are you? There's gotta be a way to weapon spell. Right. I need to build the project. Where's the heal modifier? Okay. Whatever. Healing, come on, come on. Oh. Come on, yeah. Spell. Modifier targets will be a single. Usage any. There we go. Right. Now I want to give this to... we'll give it to Flayan. Yeah, these... Wait, who is the medic? I keep forgetting who the medic is. You'd think it would be Flayan that's the medic, because, you know, technology and all that, but... No, yeah, Flayan is the medic. We'll give him Dia. Is in front row off, yeah. Okay. Give his attack always, yeah. I think I'll do the screwing around with the behaviors next. Okay. So now hopefully it should populate automatically. Click on Flame, skill. Oh yeah, healing. Yeah. Oh. Got a bug. We've got a reticule.self-modulate equals what? Reticule's right here. Target reticule, yes. So if we target enemies equals enemy target. Oh, I'm a bit of a moron. Yeah, that was set to false. Okay, we'll get rid of these colours because we don't use them anymore. Then targeting line, ally target gradient, enemy target gradient. Let's build it. Playing. All right, no, we'll wait until someone takes a hit. It's all right, but I want to set the reticules thing to be. Nothing happens, so Flen uses Deer on Betel. Yes, that works. Okay. Right, activate onto here, and then the target self-modulate equals that. Gonna need to do this. Right. Dot set alpha? No. You can't chain them together. New color. Done. Then the alpha, yeah. 1. So we're basically making it so that it's completely opaque. In contrast to the actual end of it, which is like half transparency or something like that. Right. While I'm here, target emit signal entity selected, yes. Which makes the battle scene test to be, yeah. Really print that. So, targeting line dot casting entity dot set next action. Oh, yeah, we can just overload it, which will be targeting line dot chosen skill entity. Probably virtual void set next action. Okay. Public. Virtual void. Actually, no. Yeah, I don't think it'll matter that much if it's in the suit in a class that only one of the children's going to be putting in. That makes sense. Sure. Entity E. No, entity target. Skill. Action. I didn't put it in that order, right? Skill and entity, of course. Skill, action. Entity, target. Next action equals action. Next action target equals target, and then here I can just put in set next action to be this. Keeps things nice and tidy. That catching valid operator success, that just gets thrown. That gets thrown when the end of the behavioral hierarchy has been reached. Because the end of behavioral hierarchy has been reached, we just wanted to do nothing. I think there was there was a placeholder skill, but I haven't got around to setting that. Ooh, excuse me, yet. Set next action behavior. Yeah, okay. Set next action. Placeholder skill. This. I'm going to comment that out for the time being because it doesn't work. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. So let's go to our scenes. No, I don't want to heal them all. Oh! Physician, heal thyself. Hey! And also, yeah. You can see there's a great cooldown on here as well. Sure. Now that we're out of battle, what I want to do is also... Yeah, I mean, it's not going to happen because there's no combat, but I need a way to sort things out, out of combat. Because we spawn a new group, then blah, blah, blah. Also, the reason why it's going slowly is the reason it goes slowly is okay. So that squad targeting thing has been okay. Sure. Right. So we need to use the spend energy. Roll initiative. Next action. Get that modifier. No. Where's the use skill button? It'd be on process, wouldn't it? Next action combat that goes on and on. No, that's not it. That's null, and also null. On entity active state change, then yes, set next action if entity is next action target. Okay. If max equals perform action, here we go. If if next action dot spend energy. But we have the energy cost anyways. This. Then do that. But apparently we need to give an energy cost onto here, but then we can get the energy cost from here as well. Okay. Public float get modified energy cost. Return base energy cost. Entity faster. Breach bar modifier in caster dot active modifiers, so that includes passives. If modifier dot affects energy cost, then var mod cost equals base energy cost. Modifier affects energy cost. Then mod cost multiplied equals by modifier dot key keys. I should probably rejig this to make sure that the active modifiers doesn't expose this scene tree timer. Modifier dot potency, base potency, base accuracy, base duration, potency. All that, and then we'll take the damage, the whatever, the healing and whatever, and then we'll just bring that up into potency. I think that'll be the best way to do it. And then, yeah. And then, I don't know. Sure. So if we go to entity modifier, no, first of all, we need to get back into entity. Spend energy, blah, 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 blah. Okay. But then we need to get rid of this. Cost is equal to get modified energy cost with caster. Cost, or rather energy cost. Start, return true, return false. So modifiers, entity modifier, here we go. Yeah. public virtual there. Bool affects energy cost false. Then we just have an energy cost modifier, and then just I might have to change this to energy cost modifier or something like that. If whatever. No. What I'm talking about. If modifier is energy cost modifier, then blah blah. Sure. Affects energy cost. Actually, this, and say return if it's in the right category. So public virtual will affect energy cost. Skill return false. So that's going to be the case in like 99% of cases. Modify. Oh yes, also needs a potency. We'll put it here. Export public virtual float base potency. That's that. Now, how is it in damage modifier? Damage modifier, where are you? Damage modifier. Potency base. What damage is going to do is everyone starts at 0. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Potency deviation type. Potency deviation value. Get rid of this. Then in entity modifier, if I can base potency, okay. It's just simple find and replace. Base potency. Put that on there. Die roll, Gaussian. Yes. Base potency plus get deviation. Get deviation would be, same things on there. Except it's also in heal modifier as well. HEAL, heal modifier. Might also want the damage numbers to come out of our allies as well. We'll try it. So this is out. And instead of potency base, it will be base potency. Replace all. It's just the one. Might as well put those operator overloads in there as well. Heal modifier. Yeah, okay. Within the selection, replace damage with heal modifier. It's all good. Yep. And function of yeah. So that's that sorted. Entity modifier has a base potency, yes. Debug lays about duration modifier, entity modifier, fail damage modifier, additional attack damage modifier. That's going to have a base potency as well. I haven't fully implemented this yet. So take our time. Damage type resistance modifier. We'll replace the multiplier with base potency. Yes. Right, now, unfortunately, all of these skills now, because we've renamed a lot of things, we'll need to redo it. So if I go to skills, yeah, okay, spell, modifier, spells, healing. The now has a base potency, but oh no, it's the, here we go, potency base. Oh, build the bloody thing. It's okay because I've got all these written down in Zim. It's just a case of putting them back in. Oh fuck me. Does not contain a potency, and then oh. Duration modifier does not contain a definition for potency and never. Oh. Sure, we'll just call it base potency, and if we want to have something that modifies the energy cost based on one's wisdom or whatever, we can easily just replace it with get. Actually, if it's easy to do, it's worth doing now. Okay, so that's that, and then get modified potency with caster. So this will be an entity modifier. It will be get modified potency. Public virtual float get modified potency. Skill, not skill. Entity caster. Return base potency. Right, that's all that. That's all that. Entity modifier, prerequisite modifier. There should be scalars. Oh no, the damage in the whatever modifier that has. That's where the scalars will be. Let's get modified potency. Get modified energy cost. Modified. Yeah, okay. Additional attack damage. Yeah, sure. Allied enemy display equals that. Blah, 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 blah. Additional tag. Sure. Entity. Sure. Calcine test is sure. Play display context menu. The tooltip, though, that needs to be updated because currently it just shows the base skill cost. So the skill tooltip pop-up is a skill tooltip class because, yes, this skill tooltip had the energy cost. Energy cost equals energy cost label. Blah, 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 blah. Don't need that. Skill energy cost, where's this thing? Put it onto here. Skill base energy cost, skill dot get modified energy cost for. Shit, who's the bloody caster? Set skill shown to well, ideally. Some skills ID. The pop-up menu sub-menu is here. Our identity, so we go. Set skill soon shows skills ID with current entity, which lets us go back to here. Entity caster. Get modified energy cost caster. Sure. Set skill blah blah blah. Placeholder pull path null. Even though that energy skill get modified energy cost with caster and then. But that placeholder skill path is going to be fireball. Ah. If get tree currency equals this and then caster equals null skill dot base energy cost. This is only for if I'm running it the skill tooltip as its own scene, which I don't think I'll be doing much, if at all. Tooltip set skill, no, yep. Sure. Entity, sure. If next action, spend energy this, yes. which is put us onto there, get modified energy cost, then get modified energy cost, get modified potency. Now we can build it. I think. Maybe. Yeah, built. This heal modifier, the potency base is going to go. However, the base potency is here. We'll make this 10. Apparently the base things are in. Oh, whatever. Base potency is 10. That. Bring up Zim. Fireball. Bring up Zim. Elementals onto here. The modifiers to apply will be. Oh, God. Base potency. Ah, shit, I didn't write down potencies. That should be alright. We can just go to attack and then go based on there, except we haven't put the attack potency in there either. You know what? We'll call this 10. The scalars, those are fine. Additional attacks, damage weapon, fireball, damage modifiers as well. Onto there. Modifier targets is that. Usage of there. Additional tags. Damage spell. Oh. Damage spell. Oh, that's because, yeah. I set them as fire, but everything got bumped up one. Which means we're going to go through it all again. Well, shit. Base potency for fireball at the single will be shit. 15. And then we'll 8. Yeah. Ignite weapon. Modifiers to apply. Blah blah blah. Duration scaling is that base potency 8. Roaring blue. Blah blah blah, 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 blah. Base potency 20. Superheat air. Hang on. Roaring blue is 8. Yeah, this is 15. So it should be 18. And the next one should be 14, let's say. All of flame. 25. Yeah. Right. That's that. Strikes are fine. Attack, cleave. And that's going to have a base energy cost of 10, which is, oh, make this 5 then, and then this is damage modifier to the whole thing, which is going to have a base potency of about, I don't know, 8. Headbutt 5 as well. Modifiers, it's going to have 15, and it's going to scale only off the person's strength. Power attack is fine at 6. Is it? No. Power attack should be 3. Base cooldown seconds, blah 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 blah. Base modifier, the other prerequisite modifier is that. Constitution is fine. Fine. Power attack. We'll call it. Well, it has to be above that, so 15. And then headbutt will buff up to 80. I think? Yeah, we'll go like that. Right, I think that's everything. Like I said, I really want to make as few skills as possible because, you know, at this stage of development, you're going to be changing, chopping and changing and chopping and all the time. Getting rid of everything and then putting it all back together again, and then, yeah, it's not great. So, let's go to... Let's try and run it. Now, if we have Betel to... Oof, you know, elemental fire, fireball. Yeah, it's... Okay, we'll try to target the... Okay, why are they all 10? Ah, I think I might know why. It's because all the enemies have only 10 HP. Yeah. Abscore growth would be... Yep. Okay, we'll take all these. 1.5? Yeah, we'll go like that. Bubba, well, I don't know, 2. Def, 1.5. Vittori, 1. Takodachi, 2.5. Watermelon, 3. I don't know. Okay. So, of course, I have. I think I've discussed this in the previous stream, but I'm planning on replacing the ability scores instead of the 6 from Pathfinder. I'm going to have to physical power, physical accuracy, physical defense, magical power, accuracy, defense, and then 2% health, energy, and dodge chance. So level 9, HP, energy, strength, technique, constitution, intelligence, focus, willpower, and agility. Dodge chance will also probably affect initiative and give a small crit chance as well. Haven't decided yet. So... the own skills will also put in attack. Where are you? Attack. Attack. Because I am planning on putting in a what they call it, a and a complete brain fart. Put in a check to see if the person actually knows the skill they're actually casting. Copy path, put it in here. Planes and enemies, loop tres. This should, because this is an add-on that's still being developed. Sure, blah 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 blah. Then we can just add. Oh, cannot add from selected cells. Oh. Add that? No. Unable to iterate on an object of type nil. What? Add. Okay. These are arrays. Add. Quick load. Attack. Okay. So if this is nil, we initialize it? I click that. Right, array size 0, nil. Can't this thing just have like a blank array? Like, you know, you see this 2 things here. That show the brackets here, that's an array there. This is also an array there, but you can't initially. Probably put in a feature request to the devs is I once showed, what was it? I think I once asked that I complained that I couldn't use it to hold. Oh, okay. That I couldn't use it to. I've just completely lost. Okay, add attack, yes. Add resource. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I think you just put attack in there and okay. Yeah, what it was, and that's the behavior in there. Attack. So yeah, the guy who developed this, oh, I forgot his name, but he's good people. He's good people. They just say yo, or it might have just been my idiocy that there was I could have just added it and then it would just initialize the array automatically. I don't know. Okay. Clear that out. Battle scene test. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Then I'll work on oh. Right. I think the oh dear, we've got 2 deaths already. Okay. Sure. Right. I think I've made everybody a bit too good. Unfortunately. Right, what do I want to do? The context menu, these all need to be yeah. In or out of combat. Where's the theme? Theme. Where are you? Well, party UI out combat. Did I change it to UI, or is that no UI background panel in and out of combat? So this type variation would be buttons. UI background panel out of combat. I can't copy the name because that would be too easy. UI background panel off. Okay, fine. Base type panel container styles, don't care. UI, yeah, that's typing. Background panel out of combat. And before I forget, copy that. And then on the skill menu, this theme it inherits, but the type variation again. UI panel out of combat. The things have changed for some reason because it's never going to be that easy. Type variation again. UI panel out of combat. Dish dash dosh. Skill tooltip as well. This is probably going to change everything as well because reasons. Of course. Oh no, it doesn't. That's probably because I've set the skill tooltips to be as they were. Right. This gives us a good opportunity to try again with a different font. Because that pixel one looked good. But I don't know. So what we've got here is this. The theme is the theme's at the but the font is no, it's not an skill label, it's UI panel out of combat. Fine, and then onto here it's pop-up menu which has its own font, but the default font overrides it because the panel can okay, so that's a panel container, but this is a pop-up menu, which means it doesn't override it, but for some reason the UI back. Okay, fine. Get rid of these. Out. Oh, for 6. Okay, yeah, that's fine. These as well. And the tooltip. A theme. What do you mean I can't set the overrides? Oh, for God's sakes. Come on. Come on. Come on. In your own time, Godot. In your own time. Item menu, please. Come on. Good. Theme. Type variation resets. There we go. The theme on this is fine. It's a UI background. What? No, it isn't. Okay. So we need to specify another type UI background panel, but instead of it be UI pop-up menu. I could just call it pop-up menu out of combat. So these three. Okay. This one, this one, this one. Okay, theme, type variation. We will add one called pop-up menu out of combat. And yeah. And this, because it's difficult, it's not a pop-up menu, it's a pop-up panel. So type variation. Tooltip. Wait, we've got tooltip. What? Tooltip panels in the screen? What? That's the. Oh. Okay, apparently. Okay. Pop-up panel out of combat. Right, which means I'm going to have to add everything to the bloody theme again. This is going to suck. Okay. No, not this. Pop-up menu out of combat. Pop-up menu out of combat, yeah. And then we will set the base type to pop-up menu. Yes. Then our font will be the same, but for I put pop-up menu out of combat on there, but I'm not setting up an override, so where's it deciding to override anyway? Surely it should. Using the theme editor theme. Alright, I'll go into pop-up menu, right? That's fine. Fonts. Fine, but it doesn't go into there, but we'll pop-up menu out of combat. There's no font override, so why is it still overriding with the default font? UI back. No, it's pop-up menu out of combat onto here. Base type pop-up menu. If I cleared. Oh, so just clear the default font. Okay. Right. The pop-up menu. Hover label. Okay, so hovered label. There's this panel. That's what I want. Copy. I think I've saved this, haven't I? UI resources, UI themes, panel border, panel regular. Yeah, this is it. Panel regular, panel border. Sure. Right. The border's going to be the same though. Right. Come on. Pop up. Okay. This panel we can get rid of. That makes it blank, which is what I expected to happen. Then this panel onto here, onto panel regular, put it on there. Good. And duplicate this panel underscore combat. Right. That, and then pop up menu in combat. Add type. Base type is a pop-up menu. Is it YouTube that's throwing a wobbly because I have an ad blocker on? None of those reports of that happened. Anyways, panel. What am I doing? Oh, yes, panel combat. That. And then if I changed the in combat, just for the time being, it's going to stay the same. However, if we change it then, and then we do a red. Or I could not be an idiot and take this background panel in combat. I can save it. Save as. Fuck. Okay, make it unique. This one. Now we can save it as. Come on. There we go. Right. Into themes. Panel combat.res. Yes, I do want to overwrite that. Okay. Now, go into here, player display, context menu, this pop-up menu in combat. Pop-up menu in combat. This panel is going to be panel combat.res. Why is it not? Because I haven't updated it. Huh? I overwrote it. Okay. This. Okay. Fine. Final combat. Fortress. Yes. Overwrite it. Good. No. Because it doesn't want to. Another resource is loaded from. Oh, fuck off. I don't care. Just delete it. Okay, fine. Slowbox panel. Save as. Panel. Underscore. Combat. This panel combat is going to here, and it's the correct colour. Ooh, bloody new. Pop-up menu in combat then needs to be combat, which changes the thing. Thank God. Whew. Calm. Out of combat. Was it? Oh, I've got to put the T on. Sure. I'll pop menu out of combat. I claim it and it goes to fine. Right. I'm going to take a break just to put, the dinner on, and then I'm just going to write something where you can change the on combat thing, which will probably be in here. So yeah, all of these need to have their theme changed, and whether we're in or out of combat. So I think I'll be a few minutes, but I will see you on the other side. back. Ish. Yeah, I'm gonna need to piss off again in about 20 or so minutes. Yeah, because the two will be ready then. And I don't want to do one of those mukbang streams because I'm not a bloody cringe. So I might go, I don't know, mic off for the next half hour or so. So I'm looking at OBS to see if it can pick up on my chewing sounds. Nobody wants to hear that. Yeah, we've gone up and down the stairs and just bloody. It's like the most exercise I've done all week. Oh yeah. Nothing preventing that derby says. I'm going to be typing with one hand. Got the self-tea and biscuits as a aperitif. No, just an appetizer. Skill tooltip. Yes, so it would be combat, instance, combat started plus equals I was thinking of having the colours change, like a sort of a make it a tween, but I don't know. Probably I'll leave it for now. Should be able to I don't know. I'm doing, oh yes, here we go. Hmm. I'm done dicking about. Well, no, that was a lie. Okay. Skill menu, set theme. Theme? Menu. If I can bloody write. Theme, type variation, equals. String. No. Theme type variation? No. Get theme type variation, where is that? Oh, fuck it. It should be a variation name? Named argument, name encode, a namespace name, method name, property name, signal name, string name. Of course. Theme type, oh, here we go. Property name dot theme type variation, but it's not that we want. Fuck it. Pop-up menu out, no, in combat. I did that. Will it? Hang on. If I get rid of this and this, and then it's just what? Pop-up menu. The pop-up menu doesn't have a panel, so oh, of course. Nothing can ever be that easy, can't it? Pop-up menu out, pop-up menu out, pop-up menu in. Okay. No, apparently type variations don't affect the other things, which probably would just be or change the band theme. Yeah, I think the UI theme's getting a bit big, but well. I don't like how these fonts differ. I really don't. Okay, go like this. Your tooltip container does have the party UI out combat, which is okay, this next name, your tooltip name. Oh, it's this. Vegeta bold. Yeah. Close everything. Oh no, close everything except the bouncing. Size 4, 6. Okay. This. No, wait. Skill tooltip category. Logica bold, yep. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. These overlap. Oh. Of course, the whole thing overruns its. Fuck me dead. Why is it like this? Oh, it's probably because I set them as margin containers and the. Oh no, they're fine. Hang on, VBox container is on there. Emo writes constant separation. If I buff these up at. That's not going to do much. This VBox container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12. Fine. Also to category 3. And then the description. Yes, so it will be skill. Tooltip description. Just the Logica. If it's pixel. And have the other Logica pixel bold. Not cool. Yeah, that looks. Skill tooltip name. Logica pixel bold. Yeah. And the description will be fine. The targets are probably be the same as the description. It's going to be the same as the tags, which is pixel. Bish bash bibbidi bosh. Cost label and the cooldown label both need to be built onto cost. Logica pixel bold. Yep. See how it looks. Yeah. Not great. Not terrible. What is all this? When there isn't just. There is a way to. Hang on. Godot filtering? Is it called filtering or is it called something else? It's filtering in shaders, audio effects, filtering sprites. I don't know if I have it turned on or not. Disable interest, strike texture flags, sprite and pixel art. I bet I'm sorry in the twilight and blah 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 blah. Disable texture filters and map generation and fuck off medium begging. Don't care. Rotating pixels is a heinous crime. Yes, I know. Blah 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 blah. Very customizable. Fuck. Project settings, display section. Okay. I sworn that there was a. Canvas items expander. Scale mode fractional integer. Does that change anything? It doesn't like it. GUI common fonts fine. Textures. filter linear? Oh god, no, that's worse. Disable. Linear bitmap? No. Nearest bitmap? I don't think that even. Anything in advanced? Force PMP compression. Use new filter. Anisotropic filtering disabled? No. Oh. They'll only be applied after starting. Use 2D pixels. No, that's not going to be it. It's imports. No, no. Enable the filtering. Let's say restart and see how it looks. Might need to come back. Yeah, man. Oh, here we go. Oh. No, you've still got that. Anti-aliasing using fonts. What options are there for removing the filtering and anti-aliasing from text, disabling anti-aliasing and dynamic font is supported in free? Emo writes fonts, open son is anywhere from there. Bitmap fonts like that. Loading font file, Godot pause, blah blah blah, depending on location, rendering textures, canvas textures, develop. It has to be. Hang on. Render. Fonts. Logica Pixel and Logica Pixel Bold. Rendering textures, canvas textures, default texture. Oh, here we go. Anti-aliasing, none. Maps off. Oversampling, no. Rendering, right? Yes. Textures. Where's textures? Disabled? No. Auto. Which support fallbacks? Compress. I re-import and then try that again. Oh. Oh no, 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 that's way worse. Fine, anti-aliasing. LCD subpixel. How does that work? Probably not. Okay, fine. We'll go to tooltip description. And it just goes up. Okay, fine. Have it. These are very well fine and dandy, but it's just like ones aren't. Okay, you know what? I'm just not going to bother with the outline for any of them. Get rid of that, and then we just go boop, boop, boop. That should be better. Fine, and then the skill tooltip. Cost. That's out. Well, I got rid of the... Yeah, outlines has a 0, which means it's probably... Oh. Okay, skill tooltip cost is... does not have an outline. Skill tooltip name. Get rid. Got rid of that, but it's still got an outline. Which means it's inheriting from something else. And yes. Pop-up menu is there. Pop-up panel should not have a X, maybe. Okay, put that back. Okay, fine. Skill tooltip cost category. Get rid. Overlap. Yeah, overwrite 0. Normally I don't like getting. Normally I do like outlines, but not in this case. And it just doesn't look right to have, you know, one thing that does have outlines and the other one doesn't. Tags as well. Yeah, let's go. Right, now let's have a look. I feel like these are just so, they look so damn faint. Might want to go for Dojika, yeah, pixel to begin with. Needs to be hidden. Save that. Learn here, onto here. I'm going to check the T after this. Okay, so they are right, which is, you know, correct, but oh god, this is horrible. Oh boy, yeah, there needs more separation. This VBox container separation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That should be at least enough, maybe. Oh no, the category. Where are you? Category here. Font size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay. Well, that's 26. The name then go up to 30, 42. All that. Okay, this is the last test, then I'm really gonna check the T. Oh, not great. Better, but still not good. Okay, fine. Plus there's that thing still being a... Right. Oh, is that PRB? There we go. Okay, finally I'm back. Hang on. Don't the cats come and say hello when I'm streaming. Right, Twitch, yes. Okay. Pop-up panel in, combat pop-up panel out, yes. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, yes, we need to. Minimize the size. No, come on. Come on. Yeah, man, Godot. Coaxing a dog. Okay. Build. Here we go. Oh. The sub-menus haven't been set. Plus this hasn't. Okay. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Pop-up menu. Pop-up menu income. No combat, but because it no. Pop-up menu. So what is this things? Theme. Pop-up panel out of combat pop. Did I not set them? Oh. Don't look like it. Okay, fine. Pop-up panel in combat. Nope. Set everything beforehand. Pop-up panel. Pleased to have purchased a pop filter. Okay, forget it. Here we go. This should be load panel combat. This type is pop-up panel. And the panel is panel regular. Okay, that's that done. Save the theme. I know it's called Party UI out combat, but it contains stuff for in combat, but shut up. No, come on. You're not DSP, you don't have to laugh at your own jokes. Sure. Okay. Battle scene test is on here. Oh, yes. Populating skills. Skill menu is the submenu. Submenu. Dot. Type variation equals. Okay. Yep, and then it's sub-menu who has the same. It's going to introduce a UI bug. Basically, if you have Regis do something that's like do something and then have him click on him again when you're out of combat, it's going to display if it's in combat. If entity equals current entity. Or no. If current equals current and oh yeah, because we're going to have to do this anyway. Combat dot is instance dot is combat active equals in combat return. That fixes that. And then yeah, you're going to need to populate it also instead of just known skills. Dot where x no underscore in combat x dot can use in combat x dot can use out of combat. A property that usage usage equals 1 or 3. But there's flags, isn't there? Okay. So in combat would be usage bit shift 1. Right? Or is it this? Hang on. One. It should. It gives 2. Yes, so it should be something like this. 0. Oh. Yeah, 1 bit shift 0 would be 0, 1. But yeah, because 1 bit. Okay, so 2 bit shift 1 would be 1. But then 3, 1 will be 1 as well. No, that's not. It's Oh, I have not done bitwise in age and a half. sure you can do it with the flags, right? Flags attribute. Except it's not a flags attribute because these are just property hints of flags. No, it's not. Right here. Find constants in powers of 2, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, which I've done. 1, 2, 4, 3. Oh. Okay, that and that or that or that. Sell and land. Oh yeah, so it's okay. Usage and in combat only. Right? No. It'd be 2 and 1, 0, which is going to return false or 0. Then 3 is going to return 1. Yep. Okay. Usage and yeah, okay. Equals 1. Right? Oh. No, so this is good. Okay. So 3 and 1, 1 would be 1. No, it'd be 0. 0. Yeah, it'd be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. That'd be 2 though. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That's 3. But then, and 1 bit shifted to 1 will be 1, 0. Right? No. Oh. Three is 1, 1, right? That's the, yeah, it is 1, 1. So why that be? Oh, fuck off. Huh? There's a, oh, for fuck's sake, why is it like this? Okay, fine. No. No, fuck it. No, it's yeah. You'll use just combat only will be one. Yeah, okay. Oh, fuck. I'm confused. Just usage. And just use it as, hang on, as phone service. Households CTR, which is households has. Oh, okay. It would be. Hang on. It would be. Hang on. It would be usage. And skill combat usage in combat only is equal to skill combat usage in combat only. I think that's it. Yeah. Cell and land equals that and that and that and that. Okay. I think that should be how it's done. Yes. Get rid of the onlys. That just makes me confusing. Oh. There's a put in. Okay. So hopefully if I've done everything right, I should be able to do the battle, and then afterwards I can use Flayn to, or rather, the only thing that Flayn will be able to use is, oh, why is there nothing he can use in combat? Fuck. Okay. In combat equals true, the combat starts, which is yes. Unless it thinks that we're out of combat because why? This is battle scene test ready, then the on spawn button press gets put in. But our context menu is in the party, which means it's lower in the tree than battle scene test, which means that okay. That's how it goes, right? Okay. This is going first. I know it's going first. Of course. Ready. Right. And context menu ready is going to be shown first. Yep. So why isn't it not gathering any other? In combat equals. So this has all been set like that. So this in combat has to be true, but X stock can use in combat. Usage and skill usage in combat. Skill usage. The only other thing I'm thinking of is these flags just don't work the way I thought they would. Okay, yeah, usage is 0, 1. This is 0, 1, and 0, 1 equals 0, 1. Yes. Return bd.print. Oh, it doesn't show because I haven't clicked on the bloody thing yet. You wazzock. None. What? Out combat, none. Out combat, none. Out combat, none. Out combat. What? In combat, out combat. In combat, out combat. In combat, out combat, any. So, why are they being flipped? None in combat, out combat, any. None in combat, out combat, any. The first name in this is value 1, the next 2, the next 4, 8, 16 equals. 0, 1, 2. And this is 3. Oh. 1 on 1 on 1's between. Okay, right, like this then. Public spell elements. Where does this spell elements come from? Unless that's Menum. Introduce users bit flags can be set to multiple by using the flags property hint. They can editor. Fire has value 1, value 2, 4, and 8. Constant find ultimately. Blah blah. You can. Shifted by 2 would be 2, right? Or do I have everything? Whatever. We'll try it. Oh, it works now. It should say elemental fire skill. Where's the category text on subcategory? The subcategory is fire. Yeah. String dot is null, otherwise, so subcategory, that's false. That might help. Just saying. I'm an idiot. There we go. Fire elemental. Yeah, I'll call it that. Costs are fine. Okay. Firewall, using firewall, that should hit the, yep. And yeah, it uses string. Lane's been proper murked. Okay. So now that we're out of combat, Lane should know Dia, because Dia's any. Oh. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna use, yeah, get rid of that, and then where's Dia? Any. Any is in combat or out of combat. So Right, I'll try loading flame. Ugh. Oh, of course. Oh yeah, I forgot to. Okay. Go back to the problem then. Check how deer's going on, because there should be any. It should show any, but for some reason it doesn't. In combat 8. Yes. But any is equal to 8. Why is it just showing an 8 in combat or out? In combat 8, none. What? Okay. Bloody brackets. 1 1. Yes. Or 1 2. Run it. That's 6. Why is this 8? I should say any, but it's not. It's unless I have to set. Oh, what if actually? Oh yeah, because it would set any to be 8, and it just assumes that any is the 4th. It's a 4th, skill. So if I get rid of that, and then I just click in combat and out combat, right? And then I'll probably have to get rid of none as well, which means I can then fire, water, earth, wind. Okay, in combat, out combat. Yes. Self, self, self. Oh. Okay. So if I now build it. That's in combat and out combat. The only can be used in either. All the flame, the combat, all of the here is either is in combat. Power attack in combat. Attack in combat. Placeholder skill. Okay, now let's try it. nothing. Healings here. 1 none, 1 1 1 11 in combat. Okay. Put it back to how it was because use power of 2 values, but that's not the. Oh. I'd been debated by the Have I been debated by the whatchamacallit? I have. Have I? Well, we'll only truly find out. Okay. Okay, this is not good. Skill, nothing. Skill, nothing. Fear. That. Can't use it out of combat for the time being. Sure. This enemy party. Where's the cutscene test? We'll have it. Where are the enemy levels? Put them all at level 1. Then yeah, please deal motherfucker. The attack and defend need to go. And then re-added. It's going to be able to hide them, surely. Pop-up menu. Up menu. There's got to be a way to hide items. Set item visibility. Doesn't look like it. Ah. I might gonna have to write my own context menu class. This is just gonna suck. Hide on no, that's okay. No, it should be alright. Okay, let's play context menu, yes. Yeah, man. Right. Attack and defend have values of 0 and 1. Excuse me. So get item by ID, get item index, get item ID, get item indent, get item index. Specified ID. Okay, so what does it do if you don't give a valid ID? That's what I want to know. Remove item, scroll focus, or has item. Okay, remove item by index. Oh, that sucks. You can't remove items by ID. Okay. Remove item 1. Remove item 0. Defend. Back. If get item index by ID 0, or rather get item ID of 0 is not equal to 0, then add item. Item count? No. Add item, add item. You can't add it to... You can't insert items, you can only add. Or you can add and then set index. Can you set index? Please tell me you can set the index. Oh no, are you kidding me? You can't hide items, you can't add them, you can't remove them just to add them later, because the other thing is... What the... Alright, fine. I can disable them though, right? Please tell me I can disable them. Set item disabled. God! Oh, okay. Set item disabled. 0. True. 1 true. Attack. And set item disabled. 0 false. Back. 1 false. Sure. And okay. Go back. Speed up. Huh. Okay. Attack and defend at the same. And that's probably as good as we're gonna get. Okay. Fine. That time scale. Not 5. 5. Probably should have put it as 0.002. Nah, well. Right, Right, what now? Right again. Test the Buzzing, come on, build. Leave the bubbers. Targeting still. Keep wanting to fix it, but they don't. And it doesn't affect... Yeah, the cleave doesn't affect everyone else. That's, no, it's not. Cleave here. These guys, yeah, it preps a cleave, but it doesn't... All of them. I'm gonna fix the targeting and then I'll turn off for the night. This has not been the best stream. Right, first of all, it's gonna be targeted. That's if the valid enemy stock count equals 0. Okay. Yeah. I think so. I just need to. If there are no valid targets, then. Chosen. No, it would be for each. Var enemy. Enemy part displays. Enemy dot targeted equals false. And that should fix it. The whole, people staying, stuff staying like it's targeted even though it isn't. That works. Hit the tutorials, hit the watermelons. Eyeball the watermelon. Yeah, it doesn't hit the whole squad. Okay. So I think that's probably we've done the whole. Let me just clean up. So where are we? Battle scene 10. Rid of that. Skill on there. This is all fixed, so get rid of this. This. And this. So I do that up. It's fine. You'll select the first one, the Westman, then you'll be targeting line that has skill selected, right? One thing I do like about Unity is that if you write something to the console, you can click on it later and it shows you where you put the down thing. Here you are. Okay. Okay. Fine, that's fine. This is fine. Done. To do you error sound. So fine. Okay. So entity modifiers will be damage modifier. Damage modifier. Where are you? I've got to get up early tomorrow, so I will need to do what? Need to, yeah, go to bed early. So yes, next we'll be having yes, we'll be applying basically doing AoE damage. So if roll accuracy, then such and such. So the currently, yeah, entity, and as currently, is there? Currently, it's not like that. But if we do it, then it's not. It's this apply to that's being called. Next action apply to action. Ah, yes. Yes. This doesn't. It's here that we need to. So I think probably we'll probably need to change this to a next action dot use on next target, and then it will go through each of its modifier apply modifier targets. This target area should probably be flags. Yeah. And then, excuse me, and then, yes. So self will be 0, single will be, 1, squad 4, 8, 16, and the factor, the sum of all these. Well, no, because single is going to be no. Self will be 0, yes. No, self will be 1. Single would be 2. Squad would be 110, which is 7. So 15, 31, and the sum of all of them, which I'm not sure. 63? It should be 63. But then we don't want to add another bit. No, because this will be 111. No, 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. But then all would be. Oh yeah, that's true. All would affect both parties rather than one party. So yeah, this would need an extra bit. Right. Now get rid of all the rest of these. Save, and yeah, I'll call it there. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world. Ta-ta for now.